people with no kids that keep going back to prison. You wanna know why? They don't wanna grow up. That's why. They refuse to grow up. They don't wanna get no apartment, get them a house, put something in their name. Man, you'll be surprised how many grown-ass black men have never had a light bill in their name, have never went to a car lot and purchased a car, right? Basic, simple maturity decisions they have never experienced. Why? Because they've been hiding from it and running from it and going to prison to stay away from it.